In this video, I'll show you how to copy a page in Canva to another project. If you want to copy a page in Canva to another project, you just first open your project and then click grid view, and now you will see all of your pages. Let's say I want to copy this page and transfer it to another project. So now click here and copy, and now create a new project. Let's say I want to create a new project as a social media content. Let's say this is my new project, and I can now paste it here, just paste it here. But you see, this project is completely copied from the another project, and this way you can copy a page from another Canva project to transfer it to another Canva projects. So this is very simple. You can try it out. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw the comment below. I will read and reply your comment very soon.